Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to blend photos in Photoshop. Right now I'm gonna make this, so watch this video till the end. I'm duplicating this layer, hide lower layer and select first layer. I'm taking a copy of background to hide this can. Using eraser tool, I'm making all sides a little smoother. This is a PNG image. I'm gonna dragging this and releasing here. Hide this layer and make another copy of background layer. And put this layer here. Now hide all layers and use pen tool to select the can. Press Ctrl+Shift+I to inverse the selection. Now press delete button of keyboard, Ctrl+D to deselect. Unhide all the layers. I'm selecting this two layer and making merge. I'm putting this omen layer lower to the can layer. Positioning the can using arrow key. I'm making the omen lower part smoother using eraser tool. Click on this blending mode and select the blending effects, which gives perfect result. I'm selecting here pin light. I'm taking hue saturation to adjust the color of omen with the can. Select omen layer and go to image, adjustment, color lookup. This color is quite perfect, so I'm putting this. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.